The search been going on for at least 5 months. Still ain't found this dude, man. Fuck. Ain't seen the monkey neither. Fucking mosquito. Shit. Man, what the hell? Oh. Shit, he moved fast.
See, if you would have helped me move the body, man, you wouldn't have to go through none of this shit I'm putting you through. Now you looking for your brother, and I'm about to get rid of your ass real quick, bitch.
Come on, man. Just let me know where he at, and I don't have to put a hole in your soul.
Hole in my soul? I don't have a soul. You can kill me, I'll come back.
Put your hand with your fist up. Put your hand with your fist up. Put your hand with your fist up. Right about now. What's up? We need y'all to ride. For the International Headbusters Anthem. What's up? Let's scrap it. Let's scrap it. Let's scrap it. Be your me, click. Me, boy, I'm the judge. Okay. We some headbusters. We'll knock the hater out. We some headbusters.
Tell you little monkey ass right there, I got something for you, little bitch. Where the hell do you go? Huh? Bring your monkey ass out! No matter where you are, I'm gonna find you out of here!